Competition time!
This Friday, 5 PM.
In celebration of us getting to this point and actually owning a yacht, we're gonna have a competition.
What's the competition going to involve then?
Okay, so you know we enjoy a good drink every once in a while. We've put together a video of all of the toasts that we've filmed, not necessarily published so far, but that we've filmed since we started this. And we'd like you to guess how many toasts we make in 2 minutes. Then come Friday at 5 o'clock, the video will go live and you can watch and see if you were correct. Leave your guess in the comments of this video, and the person who guesses closest to the actual number without going over will go into a hat, and we will draw one of the names out of the hat. What do you win?
A t-shirt?
Like one of the fabulous t-shirts that we're wearing.
Yes. So good luck.
Good luck, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Anyway, for this week's episode, let's go!
Sir?
Sir, I am your lady. Come on then.
That was a massive consideration when we got this boat. We didn't realise it at the time, but how good is that for getting the dog on and off? Absolutely superb.
So what type of boat is Ollie then?
Olli is a Beneteau Oceanis 41 from 2013, so he's 6 years old and he's in spectacular condition.
Isn't he?
He's been really, really well looked after by previous owners. It's 4 meters wide at its widest point, which makes this cockpit the size of a cockpit that you'd normally find on a 50-foot boat, not a 40-foot boat.
Let's have a look at him.
Very happy about that. Steering wheel or something they're called? It's probably not called a steering wheel, is it? It's got twin helms. Twin helms. A compass at each helm. There's only one
Go pedal?
Go pedal. Here we have the they're like instrumentation panels. They tell you various information about the boat, such as how fast it's going, the
depth of the water.
The depth of the water, very importantly, yes. It also tells you the direction and speed of the wind. We have on this boat a spectacular entertainment system, which allows us to play music down inside the saloon or up here on the cockpit. You can just see under there we've got speakers on each side, stereo. Ooh, also, one of Bam's favourite things, we have a hot and cold shower! So when we've been in swimming, or when the dog's been in swimming, she can have a nice shower down up here. I bet she's going to love that. Oh wait! She already knows the water comes from it, so she's backing off. Yeah. On this side, the instrumentation panels, I think this one is the same as on the other side. It gives you wind speed and direction and all the rest of it. This one, this is the autopilot. You literally just press auto and the boat steers itself. Amy was like, lobster pot, and I was like, toot toot. Like, how lazy is that? Insane.
We have a really nice bimini and spray hood.
Yeah.
Spray hood that was not used on our drive from Portimao to Lagos. What about this thing? What have we got here?
That's an electric winch. Check this out. Lazy sailors.
Oh, there's another bit of equipment that we seem to have.
A bit of equipment here, which is awesome. our chart plotter. What am I doing? Press and hold. Press and hold. That's where we are at the moment in Lagos. By the way, this system's got AIS, which allows you to identify and be identified to other sailing vessels in real time.
Shall we have a look at the sails?
Yeah, let's go forward, shall we? When we were looking for a boat that we wanted a furling mainsail, which is one of these, where instead of having a big bag on the boom with the sail in that you have to hoist up, the sail actually lives inside the mast and it gets pulled out when you want to go sailing. The reason that that is safer for idiots like us two is that when you're on passage, you don't need to come out of the cockpit to open and close the main sail. Absolutely perfect for us. Nice little sunbathing area here. What have we got here? It's our chain locker, an electrical windlass.
Right, let's go back and see what Bam Bam's been up to. There she is!
Shall we go below?
Yeah, let's go and show everybody around. Come on, Bam.
Come on, Bam. Go on. Follow your mama.
So the companionway was a really important reason why we thought this boat was so perfect for us. Normally in companionways it's about a 60-degree angle.
Real steep.
Real steep. And with Bam Bam, this was perfect because this has a 40-degree angle. So she's running up and down like
45 degrees.
45 degrees, sorry. So she can run up and down as much as she wants.
It's massively roomy down here. When we came down here the first time, I don't know if you've seen it in video 3, I think it was. We were just like, oh, wow, it's massive down here. Because it's such a beamy boat, they've managed to squeeze in a sofa and a table on one side, over here, and like a map desk thing over here. Now here, this is where we have our office, because we have 2 chairs facing each other. Plenty of room for the laptops and then the second screen for editing. We've got this fantastic electrical system on board which allows us to run everything on shore power when we're in the marina. When we're on passage, there's 2 battery banks, one under each of the beds in the rear cabins. And there are 2 plug sockets, one in the back bedroom and one in the owner's cabin, which we can actually then plug normal 240 volt appliances into, so we can still watch the TV while we're on passage, which is insane. Oh yeah, we also have a microwave.
Not sure if we're going to keep that.
Oh, I'm not sure if we're going to keep that because it's just excessive.
When we were looking at boats, and you'd see pictures online, everything looked quite dark inside. So seeing this boat and seeing the nice light colour of the wood was a massive tick for me. And the kitchen is really spacious. So everything's quite nice about it. The cupboard sizes are massive though. We have all our non-breakable stuff. A nice big double sink. A 2-ring gas stove, yeah, and an oven. Right, so we have a freezer. Kind of doesn't work as a freezer, but we've given it a go. Our fridge here, which also has a freezer, which actually does work as a freezer. It works very well. Obviously every cupboard has these lock systems on it, so when you're in passage you can lock everything up, nothing comes flying out. The fridge one's a bit sticky. Yeah, we've got our knife strip nicely screwed onto the wall. And it's really strong as well. So don't worry, nothing's going to go flying. They're not going to go flying in bad weather. So this is where our control panel is hidden. The great thing about this boat is we have a heating system. It actually runs on the same diesel that the engine uses. What is it? A Navtex NX300. We haven't got a bloody clue what it does. I think it's got something to do with the weather, I'm not sure. So this is the engine compartment. Ooh-wee. It's a Yanmar
It's got 40 horsepower, which I don't know if that's good or bad for a boat. And we have something called a sail drive, which was new to me. So yeah, engine, diesel, and what not? Ooh! The bar.
So my nan did such a wonderful thing and wrote me a poem.
We'll put the poem in the description so you can read it later.
Can I take you into the bedroom, dear?
Please do, yes. Wow. The owner's cabin. Yeah, these are my wardrobes. Hanging space there. It's not really long enough to hang anything though, so it's just kind of shoved in. Plenty of storage. This is in case we get boarded at night.
Oh, there's Bam Bam.
And then this is Emmy's side of the bedroom. There's a bit more storage here. So I put a shoe in there and it just rolled away from me into the bowels of the boat. She got this side because she's got more clothes than I do. Underneath this bed is our water tank. Really bright and lovely in here, isn't it?
And Bam's right at home. Pretty! Let's go show you some guest bedrooms. We have bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Let's show you this one first. Again, nice and airy and bright. So yeah, this is guest bedroom 2. And here we have bedroom 1. And this bedroom is a bit bigger and it actually has access to the bathroom as well, so it's an ensuite. It's actually bigger than our bed, so massive cupboard. So, the bathroom. Other than that, you unflip that like that, and then you close it, and there's a lock there. Nice.
Ta-da!
Next we have the toilet. You have to pump that out too.
We are going to install an electric toilet for sure.
Yeah.
We're already sick of pumping this toilet.
We have lots more storage space here in the mirrors. We have another one in there, both the same.
That's a hatch to get access to the engine to do engine maintenance. We had a really nice bloke in Portimao called Rum who came and did an engine check for us. He was a really great guy. Because the engine is practically brand new. I mean, it's only got 600 hours on it.
Do we have anything else then, dear?
I think that concludes our tour.
From you in guest bedroom number 1, and me sitting on the toilet. Out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe. Help us make more videos like this by joining our Patreon family.